So I just wanted to do a really quick video. I ran into a little issue with one of our LEDs the other night, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. So we have some new LEDs, 2.9 wall, very, very cool. We're using a NovaStar. What happens is in the documentation, they recommend that you reset the wall or reset the NovaStar every time you build a new wall. Problem with this is it will disable your HDCP, and then you won't be able to play copy protected content until you make that change. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick on the front panel of the unit. We are using the CMS260. The wall is all configured. It's working. We can see it right there. The wall is all configured. It's working. All you need to do is go into that menu, and we're going to go all the way down to advanced settings. All the way at the bottom of advanced settings, you're going to see HDCP currently is turned off. That is now turned on. And now your copy protected content, your Blu-rays, your DVDs, your switches that use HDCP, and even your streaming devices like your Apple TVs and Rokus and things like that are now going to work. They're now going to be able to connect, and you'll be able to get that image on the screen. Hope that helps. Super quick video. Thanks, guys. Cheers.